We are pleased to show you the 2019 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power brakes, rear window wiper, interval wipers, keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power driver's seat, reclining seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.